Hey guys, I'm so sorry about yesterday. There was no vlog, but I was at a bachelor party in Atlantic City. A little awkward bringing a camera around the casino, and you know, I didn't have Wi-Fi or anything to upload, so I decided not even gonna make a vlog. Sorry about that, but we're back. We're back. Actually, I just got back from AC, and oh man, I had 3.5 hours sleep last night. Pretty tired. I'm gonna crash pretty early tonight. I got work tomorrow, which sucks. I wish I had a day off to rest. So I'm gonna unpack real quick. All my dirty clothes in there and toiletries, and I packed really light, so won't be too bad unpacking. And then I'm gonna take a well-deserved shower and just try to chill out for the rest of the day. I know we're going out to dinner. I'm not sure where. That's really it. Just wanted to say sorry about yesterday, no vlog, but you understand, right? We decided to go to Ruby Tuesdays.
I don't feel like cooking.
Oh no. And Sophia's being a little fussy pants, a little worried about bringing her. And got Ruby Tuesdays $10. I don't know if it's a gift card. It's weird. It's like save up to $10 off 2 entrees.
If you buy seafood, steak, chicken, ribs, or pasta.
Oh. I could do something like that. We'll see. Oh my god. Hang on. It's like the face you make sometimes. Hey Liz.
Hey.
What did we just do?
You just bathed the dough.
Cleaned baby. That's a clean baby right there. Dancing and whatnot in her changing table. Is she excited? Oh. Oh.
Oh,
The
good.
second time we got that on camera. Oh boy. If you want to see the other one, it's a vlog called Spitting Newborn. Not too long ago, maybe a couple weeks ago or so. It's actually the intro, so. Yep, so the dough. Spitting Queen. Did she fountain today at all?
No.
Fountain.
She didn't spit up at all today. That was the first time.
The fountain is a throw up that we named Fountain because it's like a fountain.
Comes out like a fountain.
Because it's like a lot. She's done it, what, a few times now?
I think 5 times. I think twice on me and 3 times on you.
Oh, so I win so far.
I win so far.
Last night she did it and it got all over my shirt and my pants and my underwear. I had to change my entire outfit.
All over the floor. Lulu started licking it.
Oh. Did she like it?
And she liked it because she didn't want me to wipe it out.
Oh, good.
I had to like shoo her away.
So that's what the doves do, though. They spit up the blood. What's she doing? She's doing a lot of kicking.
You show the new stuff I got her?
Oh yeah, what'd you get?
I got her a new tummy time mat.
Tummy time mat.
It's hanging up because I washed it, so it has to air dry.
Oh.
But see, she can lay on this and she can lay on this on her belly. It's like a little mini boppy.
Whoops.
And she can have tummy time with a little support.
That's cool.
And I got her this little mirror. Well, it's not really little.
Oh, there I am.
It like sits up on the floor, or you can like tie it to the crib and she can look at it.
Mhm. Very nice. You could use that to do your makeup too. Oh, another mirror.
Oh, that's for the car.
For the car.
back seat, so we can see her in her car seat.
Because it's a rear-facing car seat, so we can't see her.
Yeah.
Which is kind of annoying. So we got the mirror. Anything else? Oh, a bunch of outfits, right?
Got her some cute outfits.
Cute outfits and sleepers.
Sleepers. And we got her new shampoo. Because she has cradle cap. It's like
flaky.
Flaky scalp.
Is it like dandruffy-ish? It's not dandruff, but it's...
But you can see where it's coming from. It's like yellow, scaly on the back of her head.
It's like a reptile.
Yeah, she does look like a reptile.
Maybe she's part lizard. I think she's part gecko. Are you part gecko, Doph? Excuse me? What was that? What was that though? So you have to clean her scalp with it once a day, right?
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll get rid of it.
Because I've seen on the internet that cradle cap can go all over their face.
Oh.
Could you imagine?
I don't want that.
Scaly face?
Yeah, it's like topish head, right? When you told me.
Probably
It's like,
can't see it because it's
you
wet
can't really
now.
see it, but that's like the area. Top, back.
It just like showed up on Friday.
Yeah.
Like, randomly.
Yeah. So hopefully that takes care of that. Clean Dove. Clean Sophia. Who else pacifiers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But she's not too swell on these, and she's not too swell on these. The cutest ones.
Yeah. They still don't have handles, do they?
This one
ones.
does.
Oh really? Yeah. Oh, that one. But I mean, these are the new ones.
Oh yeah, no.
They don't have handles. Alright, say goodbye everyone, Dove. Bye everyone. We just got home from Ruby Tuesdays and I am stuffed. I got like a pasta. It was way too creamy and it makes me feel more full than I actually am. I'm here feeding the Dove. She hasn't eaten in 3 days and she's not really even crying. She's just chilling. Chilling in your crib, right, Soph? You're just chilling. Are you hungry yet? You're not even hungry? Yeah, a little bit hungry. Oh, hunger signs right there. Hunger signs. Ah. Look at her moving her hands around. What's she doing? Kicking her legs like a little baby. Like a little baby. Alright, so time to eat. Time to put your bib on. So, sorry guys, today's vlog might be a little bit short, but it's kind of tough day to video. Yes, you know, I only had like 3 hours of sleep last night. I'm exhausted. Half the day was driving home. I didn't get home until like 1 or something like that. So we're just gonna chill the rest of the night. We're gonna give Sophia a bath. We're gonna catch up on YouTube and prepare for the work week. That's pretty much it. No big deal. Thanks for watching today's vlog and I'll see you all tomorrow. And what do we got for you guys today? What do we got? Diaper? Out.